The Samsung Galaxy A34 5G in black offers an octa-core processor for efficient performance. The product features an 8GB RAM for smooth multitasking and efficient performance. It runs on the latest Android 13.0 operating system. The device is powered by long-lasting 5000 mAh battery. With 5G connectivity, it provides fast and reliable internet speeds. With dual SIM capability, an always-on display, mobile hotspot capability, and built-in GPS, this product offers a range of features that make it versatile and convenient for everyday use. With a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display and 1080x2340 pixel resolution, this product provides clear visuals at 393 ppi. The Gorilla Glass 5 front screen ensures durability. With a 48-megapixel plus 8-megapixel plus 5-megapixel rear camera setup, and a 13-megapixel front camera, this product captures stunning photos in 16mm colors. It also offers advanced camera features for an enhanced photography experience.